running out and out of luck.
I didn't know what to do when my grower was arrested.
Jeffrey Rogers suffers from severe depression. He says medical marijuana keeps him from dropping into a suicidal episode.
So when I don't have the medicine, it can be a potentially life-threatening situation.
A few months ago, the property where Rogers' grower was keeping his marijuana supply was raided.
Oregon law says that they're only supposed to seize the amount over and above what they can legally have, but they've been seizing the entire amount.
Numerous sections of the Oregon Medical Marijuana Act require law enforcement officers to return seized marijuana to patients protected by the act. But Rogers hasn't seen hide or hair of his plants. Instead, he's been facing an uphill battle with the Josephine County District Attorney's Office.
The district attorney is refusing to release any of the evidence to the medical marijuana patients.
In fact, in a recent email, Rogers was told by Deputy DA Rafael Caso the state retains evidence throughout a case. Some of the marijuana rotted and was destroyed based on a court order. He's not the only one. Grower Larry Lacey says he's seen this happen before.
Hundreds and hundreds.
If plants are ever returned, Lacey says they're generally dried out or rotted, the patient not reimbursed.
It's a real serious problem, and I think people need to be protected, and their medicine needs to be special.
Here's the crux of the matter. Federal law often preempts state law. Oregon Department of Justice says for officials to return marijuana, they in turn will be breaking the Federal Controlled Substance Act and be subject to charges. However, just 1 month ago, Vallejo, California police returned weed to 2 pot shops raided last year.
I think they're arresting so many people and making it so difficult. They're really just, trying to make it a miserable situation for the growers and their patients. And I don't know if that's their goal, but that's the result.
As for Rogers, he's contacted an attorney, contemplating filing a tort claim. In Grants Pass, Jennifer Elliott, NBC5 News.